Hello, dear little learners. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine. I'm fine by the grace of Almighty. In the last class, we have talked about the etiquettes of Salat, etiquettes of mosque, and we know we go to mosque to perform our Salat. In this class, we shall talk about the description or elaboration of the topic etiquettes of mosque. Okay, so from the first class I think you have created a short note according to my suggestion, and you must preserve these short notes for your next homework. Whenever we call for submission, you will submit this portion or this part. Okay, now we are going to discuss elaborately. There are 12 points of etiquettes of mosque, so we need to know these 12 points, as well as we need to write down on our script. Okay, so let's write down and learn these 12 points of etiquettes of mosque. Number 1, entering the mosque neat and clean. Number 2, entering the mosque with pure mind and humbleness. Number 3, saying the prayer while entering into the mosque. I mean, this prayer or this dua we need to say, Allahumma aftahli abwaba rahmatik. Okay, once again, Allahumma aftahli abwaba rahmatik. You can try repeatedly for reciting this dua correctly. Allahumma aftahli abwaba rahmatik. Yes. Number 4, to sit in a vacant place inside the mosque, starting from the front row. To sit in a vacant place, actually we need to describe here, or we need to give an elaboration of this point or explanation. Sometimes we people are used to go front by pushing others, or breaking the lines, or making indiscipline in the rows. So this is not permissible by Islam. This sort of activities is prohibited. Okay, so here we should sit down in a vacant place. Wherever we get the vacant place, we need to sit there. But if we get the vacant place in front and no people, actually we need not to cross them, or we need not to push them, then we should go to front. Otherwise not. Otherwise we should sit to the behind row whenever we get the vacant place. Okay. Number 5, not uttering any unnecessary words. Not uttering any unnecessary words inside the mosque. Number 6, not go to the front crossing the people. Number 7, not to make a noise or any noise. Number 8, not to make any movement. Yes, not to make any movement in front of a musalli praying, salat or offering salat. Number 9, saying the dua while coming out of the mosque. As far we have learned the dua of entering into the mosque, and there is another dua coming out of the mosque, or when we are coming out, we need to recite this dua or prayer. The prayer is Allahumma inni as'aluka min fadlik. Okay, Allahumma inni as'aluka min fadlik. Good. Number 10, not to break discipline using mobile. We should not use mobile, or we should not ring the ringtone into the mosque. So for this very purpose, we need to switch off the mobile. Otherwise, if it is very necessary, then at least we need to keep it silence. Allahumma inni as'aluka min fadlik, and not to break discipline in using mobile. Number 11, using prayers, saying prayers with devotion and sincerity. So we should say our prayers with devotion and sincerity. And number 12, the last one is listening recitation of the Holy Quran and the religious sermons given by the Imam, okay, etc. Now I think you could write down all the 12 points, and I'd like to repeat once again these 12 points so that you can write down clearly and completely, okay? Number 1, entering the mosque neat and clean. Number 2, entering the mosque with pure mind and humbleness. Number 3, saying these prayers while entering into the mosque. Allahumma aftah li abwaab rahmatik. Number 4, to sit in a vacant place inside the mosque, starting from the front row. Number 5, not uttering any unnecessary words inside the mosque. Number 6, not go to the front crossing the people. Number 7, not to make a noise or make any noise. Number 8, not to make any movement in front of the people, those who are performing salat. Number 9, saying the dua while coming out of the mosque. The dua is Allahumma inni as'aluka min fadlik. Okay. Number 10, not to break discipline using mobile. Number 11, saying prayers with devotion and sincerity. And number 12, listening recitation and religious sermon given by the Imam. This is all about the 12 points, the etiquettes of mosque, 12 points of the etiquettes of mosque. We boys are suggested to write down these 12 points as well as to memorize all these points so that we can write down on our script if it comes in the exam. Okay boys, thanks very much for joining this class.